Dry shampoo is a game changer for busy days or when you need a quick refresh. Finding the right one can make a huge difference in keeping your hair looking clean and vibrant. In this video, we're reviewing the top 5 dry shampoos of this year to help you find the best option for your needs. From volumizing to oil absorbing, these products offer a range of benefits to keep your hair looking its best. Let's dive into each product and find out which one might become your new favorite. Kicking off our list at number 1, Batiste Original Dry Shampoo. The Batiste Original Dry Shampoo is a classic choice known for its effectiveness and affordability. It's designed to quickly refresh hair, absorbing excess oil and adding volume in seconds. Key features: this dry shampoo features a lightweight formula that doesn't leave a white residue. It's enriched with a subtle, fresh fragrance that leaves hair smelling clean. The spray mechanism delivers an even mist, ensuring thorough coverage without clumping. Benefits and usage: ideal for all hair types, Batiste Original helps to extend the life of your hairstyle. Simply shake the can, hold it 6 to 8 inches from your roots, and spray evenly. Allow it to sit for a few moments before massaging it into your scalp and brushing through. Usability: the spray is easy to apply and doesn't require a lot of effort to blend in. It's great for on-the-go use, providing a quick fix for greasy or limp hair without the need for washing. Durability: Batiste Original maintains its effectiveness throughout its shelf life. Proper storage in a cool, dry place helps preserve the formula and the spray's performance. In the second spot, we have Drybar Detox Dry Shampoo. Drybar Detox Dry Shampoo is a high-performance product designed to absorb oil and add volume while extending the life of your blowout. It's a popular choice among those looking for a salon-quality dry shampoo. Key features: this dry shampoo features a proprietary formula that absorbs oil and impurities without leaving a residue. It also includes rice powder and vitamin C, which help to freshen and revitalize hair. The formula is lightweight and offers a pleasant citrus scent. Benefits and usage: suitable for all hair types, Drybar Detox helps maintain clean, voluminous hair between washes. Shake the can well, spray it onto your roots from about 6 to 8 inches away, and wait a few minutes before massaging it in and brushing out any excess. Usability: the lightweight formula sprays evenly and integrates easily into your hair, offering a clean look without the hassle of visible residue. It's perfect for busy mornings or quick touch-ups. Durability: the Drybar Detox Dry Shampoo remains effective throughout its shelf life. Storing it properly ensures that the rice powder and vitamin C continue to perform as intended, providing fresh and voluminous hair. Coming in at number 3 is the Klorane Dry Shampoo with Nettle. Klorane Dry Shampoo with Nettle is formulated specifically for oily hair, providing a natural and gentle solution for freshening up between washes. It's designed to absorb excess oil and maintain a clean appearance. Key features: this dry shampoo includes nettle extract, known for its oil-absorbing properties. The formula is enriched with natural starches that provide a clean, residue-free finish. It's also free from parabens and sulfates, making it suitable for sensitive scalps. Benefits and usage: ideal for oily hair types, Klorane Dry Shampoo helps to control excess oil and add volume. Shake the canister, hold it 6 to 8 inches from your roots, and spray evenly. Allow it to sit for a few minutes, then massage into the scalp and brush through. Usability: the fine mist application ensures even coverage, and the natural ingredients provide a gentle yet effective clean. It's perfect for maintaining freshness without the need for frequent washing. Durability: Klorane Dry Shampoo remains effective throughout its shelf life. Proper storage helps preserve the nettle extract and starches, ensuring consistent performance and freshness. Taking our 4th spot is Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo. Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo is designed to refresh and volumize hair with a formula that absorbs oil and adds body. It's known for its fun, playful branding and effective performance. Key features: this dry shampoo features a blend of natural ingredients, including rice starch, to absorb oil and add volume. It has a light, pleasant fragrance and a formula that works for all hair types. The spray delivers a fine mist that avoids any white residue. Benefits and usage: Amika Perk Up is perfect for those looking to freshen up their hair while adding volume. Shake well, spray onto roots from a distance, and let it sit for a few minutes. Massage into the scalp and brush out excess for a fresh look. Usability: the fine mist application ensures easy blending and absorption, leaving no residue. It's a great option for quick refreshes and adding volume to limp hair. Durability: the performance of Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo remains consistent throughout its shelf life. Storing it properly ensures that the rice starch and fragrance continue to work effectively. And finally, at number 5, we have Oribe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. Oribe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo is a luxurious option designed to absorb oil and refresh hair while providing a touch of elegance. It's formulated with high-quality ingredients to maintain hair health and appearance. Key features: this dry shampoo features a blend of natural powders that absorb oil and add volume. It includes a signature Oribe fragrance, which provides a sophisticated, fresh scent. The formula is lightweight and designed to leave no residue. Benefits and usage: ideal for those who want a touch of luxury in their hair care routine. Oribe Gold Lust helps extend the life of your style while keeping hair fresh and voluminous. Shake the can, spray onto roots, and allow it to sit. Massage into the scalp and brush through. Usability: the spray provides an even, fine mist that integrates seamlessly into your hair. It's suitable for regular use and adds a touch of luxury to your hair care routine. Durability: Oribe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo remains effective throughout its shelf life. Proper storage preserves the quality of the natural powders and fragrance, ensuring reliable performance. Finding the best dry shampoo can make all the difference in keeping your hair fresh and vibrant between washes. Each of these top 5 options offers unique benefits to suit different needs and preferences. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and product reviews. Thanks for watching, and here's to fresh, fabulous hair every day.